I'm Ben Johnson, Special Projects Manager with the City of Penticton. We're here at the Farmers Market on a sunny Saturday morning, and we're sharing some of those initial ideas around our form and character development guidelines. So we have a series of boards out here today which are illustrating some of those big ideas and intentions around guidelines for different kinds of development to help make that kind of development sympathetic to the neighborhood around them.
Intensification is great, and I support that. I think that it's great if it can translate into complete streets, safe walking, safe cycling, sustainable transportation, streets where people want to spend time and can move between all the places that they need to travel really safely and enjoyably.
What I would like to see is less dependency on the cars, especially in downtown. I think we should prepare ourselves, but you need a vision to get there where you want to go.
It's been a really exciting week-long process, which kicked off with the design panel at the Convention Center, where we had a chance to really share some ideas about how we would like Penticton to be and look in the future. Places where it makes sense, a lot more due care to environmental corridors. Rolled up our sleeves, worked with our stakeholders, our OCP Task Force, and really had some hands-on experience to draft some of those key ideas, put them down on paper, illustrate them, and get them out in front of the community today. They're still in kind of a draft format, but there's a chance for them to feedback and tell us if we're moving in the right direction and whether or not these guidelines resonate with them.
I own a property here in Penticton, though I haven't lived here for 4 years. I have always paid attention to the OCP planning, just watching everything that's happened and changed in the last 4 years. I think it's amazing, and like looking at Main Street and how the downtown is being revitalized. One thing I noticed was the conversation about the hillside development, and I hope that the sprawl is limited and that the focus is on infill and density. And I know keeping the character is important, but not at the expense of housing diversity in the core of Penticton. So
listen to the community, get feedback from them, take all that information and refine these into something that's really actionable, something that can really work, that we can put on our OCP, that people will understand as we grow as a city. I can imagine this kind of development happening, and there's some real tools in the official community plan. So when a developer is going to build something, they build something that works for the rest of the community.